Oh, it didn't hurt. I just scared myself. Hi everyone, I'm Jodi and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. And if you're like me and you like the latest gadgets all the way up to the laser medical devices, and you like them at a fraction of the cost of what it costs when you go to the spa, then you might be glad that you are here today too. So I have an array of products all purchased by me with the exception of two, and I will let you know what those two are. I'll save those to the end. This is not a sponsored video. Nobody's paying me to talk about these products. I've just gathered some things and I haven't even tried all of them. So we're gonna do some of this together. Some of them I've tried and I've loved. Some of them I'm not so sure what they're even supposed to do, so we're gonna figure that out. If you are interested in new gadgets all the way up to new plug-in devices, then stick around because we're gonna get right to it. All right, so first up, and I found this because of some dental work I needed to get done this summer, and I knew that my jaw was gonna be swollen. So I found this little ball. It comes in a pack of two, and it's called Nobility. And it has this roller one. I just took these out of the freezer, so that's why they look frosted. And it's a great roller if you have migraines, if you have some swelling somewhere, or if you've got some joint pain. I love the fact that there's a handheld one, and then there's this much bigger one. So I just kept rubbing this on my jaw to help the swelling go down. And because it's been so hot, I just was using this large one just to like rub around on my body. And oh, when I tell you how good that felt. So you get both of these, and I'll link all these products down below so you don't have to try to remember any of them. And I love this because you can then stick this in really hot water and they will both get hot instead of freezing cold. So you can use them for warm treatments as well. I actually thought, I'm a side sleeper, so I have not done this yet, but I thought of putting this in really hot water and then once it gets hot, then rubbing it back here where I carry a lot of tension in my shoulders, and from side sleeping, I'm always pulling on this side. I thought that would feel really, really good. So if you can also put these on the floor because it's flat down here, so you could rub the ball of your feet on it. That would be really good. Probably super cold for me, but that if it was warm in the wintertime, I can just think of 1,000 ways to use both of these, and they don't take up a ton of room in the freezer. You don't even have to keep them in the freezer if you didn't want to. But I found these to be super handy, so I wanted to pass these along to you guys. You buy them together by Nobility. I got them from Amazon, and it comes with a little bag for each of them, so you can put it in a nice little, I think, is that silk? Yeah, it's like no, it's not quite silk, it's a rough silk, but they come in their own carrying bags, so you can keep them nicely in a bag if you would like. I have not used the bag yet. I would probably actually use that for, I don't know, something else, makeup brushes or something to travel with. But anyway, you could do that. And I have found a lot of different uses for these, you guys, so I wanted to make sure that I shared these. All right, the next device, and we're gonna work up to some fun ones. This is not a device, but I have used the heck out of these and I'm almost embarrassed to show them to you. But you know how we like those little eye gel pads that go under your eye for in the morning, and it's supposed to help penetrate moisture and serum and hydration under the eyes. I don't ever find that really works. I feel like I stick them on there, but they don't stay, and I don't feel like when I pull them off that they've deposited a lot of product. And they're single use, so I'm really trying to minimize things that have single use. So enter the world of frozen cucumbers. Now this is genius, and you probably have these and you're probably like, Jodi, that's like 1910, we all have that. But just in case you don't, they come in a pack of 4, 2 of these and 2 of these. These are just like little cucumbers, and they're gel packs. And so you freeze them. And I'll tell you why I use these in just a second. So this one, great shape. In the morning, if my eyes are puffy, I will just stick this right under my eye and just hold it there. Now, it's not as convenient as having the under eye mask on because you can still kind of multitask with those, I guess. I didn't find that they stuck on that well. The Derma E ones do, but that's about the only ones I found that do. But this, I just like to put that right under my eye and just lay down and chill for a minute. I like to listen to some nice easy music or a nice little meditation to start my day. And that's what I'll use this one for. The larger one, I've actually used it because if I get a migraine, this is super helpful just to put on the temple where I'm getting a migraine, and I can just lay on my side. This is ice cold and it just feels fantastic. Now you can use these for a variety of things. If you have any swelling somewhere for any dental work or anything like I just said, and I think they were under $7 for 4 of them. So I've used the heck out of these, and I thought, why haven't I shared these? I love them. I'll link them down below in case you're interested. All right, so the next one, you guys, it's called New Derma. And I bought this because it says Natural Dermal Cell Energy Amplification System. Now this was $70 on Amazon. And the main reason that I bought it was because it has a hair wand in it. So I want to see how well that works. It says that the APT is the universal currency for energy in all cells of the human body. As we age, ATP production slows, which can lead to the outward signs of aging. Sagging skin, check. Hair loss, check. Age spots, check. And other skin imperfections are the hallmark signs of decreased cell activity due to aging. The New Derm system amplifies cell turnover by supercharging ATP synthesis to slow, halt, and ultimately reverse the aging process for $70. I hope that works. Leading to a firmer, younger skin. A painless and rejuvenating current pulses through the wand and into the many layers of your skin. You'll begin to notice a difference after just a few weeks of use. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this, you guys, is I'm gonna use the wand one for the hair. The comb tube. I don't know why you would need a tongue tube because my tongue, maybe that's just what they call it. Clearly it's not for your tongue. Who cares if my tongue skin is sagging? we better read this. We should have read it first. I didn't. I just opened it to make sure everything was here because if you saw my last devices video, yeah, some of the product was not in said box. So first things first is this okay. Let's go to the, let's just go to the tongue thing and see what it does. Really, it's not for the tongue. That would make no sense. Okay, so the tongue one, they're all in here nicely like that. This looks like the tongue one. It comes with a piece of paper that shows you everything that it does, what each one of the different wands does. And there is a full manual. It looks like it is all in English. So yes, it is all in English. There's not another language in here. And then this little pamphlet just takes you through how to use the machine and any skincare tips and tricks. But we're not gonna actually use all of it, but I do wanna see what this tongue one does. This is the tongue one, yes. Use this to spot treat acne and pimples. Helps reduce the appearance and severity of blemishes much quicker by naturally and painlessly killing bacteria. This is the spot tube. And it is just literally like a little tube. The spot tube is designed for acne and imperfections and smaller areas like crevices around the nose and lips. Okay, so it's really just depositing microcurrency. So it's almost as if it's a similar to a New Face type device where it's depositing that microcurrent. The next one in here we're gonna go with is this must be the spot one. Actually looks like someone's touched that. No, it's just dirty glass. Okay, well, we'll make sure we clean that really well. This one is the mushroom tube and it treats cheeks, forehead, and jawline. Use this in conjunction with your pre-applied serums and creams to increase their absorption into the skin. So that's very similar to some of the other microcurrent products. If you have, there's no hole in that, so it does go all the way. It's all smooth glass. So yeah, you just microcurrent any of the extra serum to get more potential benefit from those serums. But the one I was most interested in was this comb thing. So the comb one stimulates hair follicles and promotes blood circulation, and it diminishes hair loss while reducing dryness and dandruff. So that is super exciting. I do want to try this though, just to see how hard it is to use. So let's just go in and see, because I do want to see how it feels. All right, so it does walk you through the introduction, what is high frequency and how does it work. I'm not going to bore you guys with all that. How to insert and remove glass tubes into handle. That's what we need to know, because we do not want to break anything that has electricity running through it. Only insert and remove the tubes while it is powered off, okay? Anything else we need to know? Insert the tube by gently pushing the metal base of the glass tube into the opening of the handle. Never use extreme force. Okay, so we're going to use this. Oh my. Okay, we're not going to add force. I mean, did we have to have it shaped like this? I'm just wondering. I'm going to plug it in right here and we're going to see how this works. So do not try this at home. Don't cut electrical wires with scissors. I'm not cutting the wires. I'm literally just cutting the twist off because that's just a whole lot of time. That's a whole lot of twisty time that we just don't have. I happen to conveniently have a plug-in right here on the side of my desk. Okay, I'm a little scared. Okay, we should probably read some more directions before we turn it on. Is there anything specific that we need to know about the comb? No, there's nothing specific about. Okay, it does not give you specific instructions for each of the wands. So I guess I just want to make sure I can turn it down. There's a button on the bottom, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one. Ooh. Can you hear that? That's at 1.5. That's at 2. I'm scared. That's at 3. And that's at 4. Okay. There's no way I'm putting that on my scalp at 4. Let's just try 1. I'm so scared right now. Why am I being such a baby? Like, you can't see anything. It doesn't have any more instructions than that. They give you more instructions on how to put the tube into this device than how to actually put it on your head. Plug a power cord in, we did. Use small circular motions across your face or hair with each treatment area needed, only 10 to 15 seconds, maximum per area. Be sure to use the lowest intensity. Okay, here we go. Be sure to use the lowest intensity setting during the first few days of initial use. Continue to increase the intensity setting with each treatment. This system is effective even at its lowest setting. Thank goodness, because the high setting sounds like a race car. The intensity level that you're comfortable with will be dependent upon your skin type and sensitivity. Okay. I'm so nervous right now. What if it fries my hair? Okay, I don't feel that. Move it around. Still don't feel it. I mean, I don't feel anything other than I wonder if I feel like I'm frying my hair, but that's just in my head because it sounds like a quiet blow dryer maybe. All right, let's go up a little bit more. Oh, it didn't hurt. I just scared myself. That little jump was just completely over exaggerating because I'm like being a baby. Well, it's making all my little hairs stick up, so that's probably not good. All right, you guys, so I'm going to write down the date of today. I'm going to do this as it says a few times a week, and we're going to see if it does anything to like this hair area. It feels a little warm right down here, so that may have just been where I was holding it, and then you just pull it out. So that was easy. So we're gonna give it a good old college try and see what happens. And I'll report back to you guys on this one in 30 days. And I'm not going to change my shampoo routine. I'm not going to take any different vitamins. I've been taking the Viviscal and have been really impressed and happy with those results. When I part my hair, I feel like less skin is showing through, which is really what I was hoping for. So we'll see if this does anything. We can see how this goes. And again, you guys, this was 70 bucks on Amazon. So we'll see. So you guys have probably seen these before, this V-line lifting mask for face and chin line. Inside of it is 5 masks. It's said to be a double chin reducer, advanced lifting and hydration. It does have an expiration date of exactly 2 years from the date it was manufactured. So I do like that, so that whatever ingredients, which it looks like it's pure water is the #1 ingredient, and then hydrogel, which I'd like to know what's in the hydrogel. Hydrolyzed collagen, glycerin, seaweed extract, vitamin E, aloe vera, and hyaluronic acid. Peel off the product film, stretch the mask 1 to 3 times, and apply it to a clean face, and wait 20 minutes. Each mask is a one-time use only. All right. So if you guys have used these, will you just leave a comment in the comment section below and see if you've felt any lifting? Feels like, based on what the ingredients are and the way this sort of sits, it almost feels like it's gonna act as a mask and work in the moment, but there will be, I don't know, but I would suspect there won't be a lot of long-term effects from this, but I don't know. I don't love that it is single use, because this is now 5 of these that will go in the trash once I am finished with them, and I don't love that. They may make one of these that is a silicone. For example, I do have a face mask that is silicone that you can put your own product on under it and then put the silicone face mask on. It's very easy to clean. I just put it in a bowl of warm water and we'll rinse it through. So I'm curious to see how these work. I will use them. Again, I do have makeup on today, so I'm not going to try this, but I will let you guys know. And again, if you've tried these, I'd love to know your thoughts. All right, last but not least, and this is the one I'm really excited about, you guys, because first of all, this company was phenomenal to work with. They got on the phone with me. We talked about the product. We talked about the expected results. They talked about exactly how to use it, how not to use it, what to expect, what not to expect it to do. And I was really excited about this. So I just wanted you guys to see it. It's just sort of a PR unpacking with this one, if you will. And I'm going to test them, and I'm going to give you a before view of what my skin looks like before. And in one video, I'm going to show you the before. So I'll have all my makeup off. I will use both of these devices, and then I will give you a 30-day checkup, and then I will give you a 90-day checkup, all in the same video so you can see the progression. And what it is it's an anti-aging and skin tightening handset. And it's about 15 inches, so I'm excited to sort of hold it. It has the radio frequency in it, which is a big deal when it comes to skin tightening. But radio frequency, if you use it too much, it does have a tendency to create fat loss. And as we age, that is not what we want. We don't want to thin. We do want lifting and tightening, but we don't want to thin any more area around our face. So this radio frequency, the right amount of radio frequency can work wonders. Too much can actually be detrimental to your overall look. This has radio frequency, ion deep cleaning, ENI importing, EMS lifting, sonic massage, red blue light therapy, ice radio wave for pore shrinking and minimizing. Really excited to do this all in this little handheld thing. So I will open it. I'll walk you guys through the whole thing. It has 10,000 hours of battery life. It is waterproof, medical grade stainless steel, and a high definition LCD screen. I'm excited to get into this. So I'm showing this to you guys now so that if you are thinking about a laser product, just give me about 3 months, which is perfect because that'll put us through September, October, November. So it may be something that you want to put on your Christmas list. We will know, we'll have all the results in by then. And that's this one. And then the smaller one is the Even Skin Venus. And this is premium eyelid anti-aging device. And this is said to firm aging eyelid skin, reduce bags under eyes, resolve dark circles around the eyes, and stimulate and rejuvenate eyelid skin cells. And it is skin cells. This has LED phototherapy. It has sonic massage. It has thermal collagen activation, and it looks to be about the size of a pen, like handheld. So again, I will open all of this up in the demonstration and walk you guys through it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to open this and show you what all of it is, and then do a before, and then do another one at 30 days and another one at 90 days, or would you prefer to have it all in one? It might be fun to open these and show you how they all work. So I won't open those until I hear back from you guys. So leave me some comments what you'd like me to do, and we'll do that one together. So really, the reviews on this thing is phenomenal. So I'm very grateful to Even Skin for sending me these to demo them for you guys. And they must be pretty confident in the results because they knew I was going to do before and after and walk you guys through the whole thing. So when a company is that confident and wants me to have the products, use them myself, show you guys everything of how it works, to me that says a lot about how confident they are, which I love that. I'm excited about this, and my stepdaughter is getting married on New Year's Eve, so I could have beautiful skin by then. So perfect timing. And again, wrap those in some Christmas packages, and that might be a really nice Christmas gift, so we will see. All right, you guys, that does it for me. I am excited to try some of these, and some of them I'm not sure if I'm excited at all. So I will let you know how it goes. I will track the progress of that hair comb, and then let me know on these if you want me to open them up and demo them together. I hope you guys are having a terrific day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.